So we are here now at Condominio Bella Vista, and this is their lobby area. Let's go up because we are on the 19th floor. We are here already and we are on the room number 8. And it's very social kasi yung light nila automatic. If walang tao na na-detect, it's gonna turn off automatically. And if meron, it's gonna turn on. Ito na yung room, naging working place or working area, yung dining table. And there's my lobby, ito yung living room. Dito kami kumakain, itong area na to. So this is the living room, and then yung sa balcony is really nice. You could really see, I'm not sure if it's the whole Costa Rica, pero oh my gosh, just look at that view, diba? It's very relaxing. And here's the kitchen area. Everything is actually complete. You could definitely cook the food that you want with every utensils or tools or kitchen tools that they have. So they have refrigerator and everything. They also have washing machine to wash your clothes. But this is the first restroom. I think this is for the guest restroom, something like that. And here's the bedroom finally. Diba? It's so nice as well. There's a mini living room there. You know, sofas and stuff. And then look at the views. Oh my gosh. So it's called Sky View. This is called Sky View room. Something like that. Diba? It's so nice. The bed is also huge. This is yung restroom, and also they have this dresser or something like that, or dress room, whatever, and it's really nice. So if you ever visit, you know, Costa Rica, find Condominio Bella Vista in either booking or Airbnb. But I'm gonna post the Airbnb link below so you could just, you know, find it. And this to give you a better view of the Condominio Bella Vista. We are just trying out our 10 feet tripod for the GoPro. And nasa 21st floor yung swimming pool nila. And also they have jacuzzi here. Yan, so dito kayo pwede mag-sand bath, mag-chill.